Alrighty, so let's go over how to draw Brittany from Haminations, all right? It's gonna be super simple, easy for beginners, so follow along with me, okay? Let's go through this step by step. First thing we're gonna do over here is draw the eye. Right there, it's kind of like almost looks like a coin, like from Mario or something. Then we're gonna go over here and not too far away, we're gonna draw another eye. And we're gonna fill those two in, those shapes. It's probably a lot easier with pencil, I'll be honest. But you know what? If you have a marker, do it like this. Definitely do it in a well-ventilated area if you are using the marker, you know, because it's not good to inhale. I'm gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a curve of her hair. Really, I guess she's like, is it Bryson's sister? I think. Let me know in the comments. I think it is. I believe. I think it's his sister. I think. Or is it? All right. Curve right here for the hair. Very simple. Go over here now. Pull down on the other side of the hair. We're gonna find the flat part of her head right here. Okay. So far, so good. I'm gonna have the hair continue on around the corner here a little bit, like so. And then over here in this area, under the face, the lower portion of her face is really important. What I want you to do, by the way, if you like these Hamination videos or the how-tos, hit the like right now if you can. Hit the like, it's very important. You know, helps out in the algorithm and also lets me know what you want to see more of, okay? All right, gonna go over here. And now we're gonna draw her smile. So, line over here. Round. And curve around the corner right here. Line. Right there for the smile. Down. And right there. It's kind of like an eyelash shape that she has. Let's go over here to the top, and we're gonna draw a curve for the top of her eyebrow, and then line over here, top of her eyebrow on this side. One thing I forgot to do, by the way, if you can identify it, is I forgot to actually draw the teeth. So draw straight down right here, down, 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 down. Let's go over here to where her hair is split, right? Curve down on one side. Then we're gonna go over here on the other side. Curve right there, like another bump. And it's gonna go a little bit flat on over here. And it's gonna curve down. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comment section, by the way. I'm really big on saying hi back. I reply to every single comment, so you can even go back to old videos and just say, hey, what's up? How's it going? Don't forget to check out all the cool stuff in the description, okay? In the description, there's a bunch of cool things, right? There's like other playlists. If you want to make a Bryson playlist, I will. A Haminations playlist, I will. Just let me know, and I will make it. If literally if one person requests it, I will make it. So let me know in the comments. Curve over here. But there's a lot of other cool stuff. I'm gonna put out stickers. I'm gonna put out probably shirts soon. We'll check it out. I'm gonna go over here. Down, down, line out over here for the, you know, the upper shoulder, and the shoulder down over here leads into the arm. Gonna go right here, draw almost like a square shape right there for her shirt to show the shape of the shirt at the top. Let's go here for the torso, bump, down. Over here on this side, out, down, find the elbow, downward, and down right here. Curve down, Down over here. Right there, you have the bend of the elbows kind of going downward, kind of like she has her hands around her waist. Bottom of the shirt on this side. And over here on this side, bottom of the shirt on this side. Curve over here, another bump. And we're gonna kind of pull in the hair into the body right there. Just kind of have it like end off, right? That's a really big thing. So, I'm very reachable, by the way. You can always comment and we can always talk about stuff. Right now I'm creating a blog. I'm gonna put a link to that on the main channel, on the main like head of the channel as soon as I can. I am really excited about the blog, so I'm trying to make it really good. I want to put stuff like Godzilla anatomy compared to King Kong's anatomy. I want to put like really cool stuff on the blog. Let's make this a little bit thicker right here. And line over here, line over here. There we go. Good stuff. So one thing else I want to do is I want to draw like a thicker line around the character, maybe around just the outside only, because it gives it a little bit more of a little bit thicker. See, it gives a little bit more of like a sticker look, gives it more personality. There we go. Out over here, down. I'm gonna keep going around here, just around the edges. Curve over here, downward. Feel free to tag Haminations, by the way, in the comments too. I never thought about that one. And pretty close, pretty close. So I'm just kind of looking around, and if you really want, you can draw maybe like the inner line right there for like the back of the hair, line over here as well, kind of aiming up to kind of give the character, you know, more detail, right? It's really up to you how you do this stuff. Maybe a little bit longer of a line on this side as well. So now that you've seen most of the whole video, want to hear your feedback and share the video. Sharing is caring. It's a really lot of good stuff. And get to drawing a lot more. When you draw a lot more, it's going to help you get better the more you do this kind of stuff. What I want you to do next is I want you to stay with me, and we're going to do another video lesson together, okay? Let's get started right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.